Okay. I'm logging into Oracle environment. Providing the super user details. Just logging into the actual user account. SQL workshop, SQL commands, so I'm beginning with new 27. Okay, so today we'll be looking into SQL functions. So there are already inbuilt functions available in Oracle environment. So we will begin with those things. Yes. So you can see in the Word document which I supplied to you has all those list of functions available in Oracle environment.
Yes.
So let me take use of those things. I am making use of the dual table as a supportive table in executing those Oracle functions. Yes, yesterday I have shown you select SSDate from dual. So just let me copy this and execute. And it gives today's date.
Yes.
So this is the result.
That's the system data.
Yes. So I made use of the dual table over there and used the SysDate function available in Oracle environment. Likewise, you can see we can use an expression with dual. So let me just copy this. So these are very simple functions, so I am just copy pasting them. They are very easy to follow. You can see here,
Yes.
I have given an expression 10 plus 20 and I am displaying the result with an alias name, that is result, and I am making use of from dual. So 10 plus 20, what is the result?
30.
Yes, you can see 30. Likewise, 10 divided by 20. Yes, look there. 10 divided by 20 as a result. 0.5. Right?
Right.
Yes, this entire statement can be written in multiple lines also. Still it gives the correct answer. It means SQL is a free form language. It doesn't mean that you have to write the SQL statement in a single line. You can cut down into multiple lines also, still it works.
Yeah, I can see.
Free form language we say. I just mentioned here. Free form language. Yes, and here you can see 10 divided by 0 I am trying to give. What is the result of 10 divided by 0?
0.
10 divided by 0.
That's always 0.
No.
Oh,
Anything divided by 0 is infinity.
okay. Oh, yes.
And here you can see, it throws an error. Divisor is always equals to 0 here. So divisor is equal to 0. It's an oracle error. And here oracle errors are displayed with some error code colon error message. So error code, this is ORA-01476 is the error code. And divisor is equals to 0 is the error message.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Likewise you can see 0 divided by 10.
That's 0.
It's always equal to 0. Likewise we have modulus function which will give the remainder 10 when divided by 2. What is the remainder?
What does it mean, reminder?
Reminder, look here. When you use this slash,
Okay.
it divides
Divide.
and it
Yep.
gives the quotient. It gives the quotient.
Yes.
And here modulus, MOD, modulus. It's a reminder kind of thing. When 10 divided by 2, what is the remainder? What is the remainder?
I don't know. 10 divided by 2.
What is the
5.
remainder?
5. 10
I
divided.
am asking, I am asking you the remainder, not the divisor.
I don't know. How to.
Oh, you don't know.
No,
Then
reminder.
again I have to teach you those basic mathematics.
Yes, but I don't understand what's reminder.
Oh my God, you don't understand the remainder. Alright, I'll explain you here. In your basic mathematics during school days, you might have learned these things. Yes, look here. This is 2 and here it is 10 and here it goes 5 times. 2, 5 times it goes and you put a 10 here. You put a 10 here, 2 5 10 and so what is the remainder here?
0. Yeah.
So here this is the remainder, this is the divisor, dividend, quotient. Are you aware of that?
Okay, I didn't.
Right.
I'm sorry, I didn't understand the meaning then of reminder.
Quotient. You don't understand the meaning. Yes. Divisor and this is dividend and this is remainder.
Okay.
So basic mathematics.
Yes,
So
I
when-
know that now.
Right. I am talking about this remainder.
Yes, I know, but I didn't know the English meaning of it because my English is not my native language. So that was the
Okay, that's fine. Is that clear now?
Yes.
So this is how we divide, and here you can see when 10 is divided by 2, what is the remainder? 0, right?
0, yes. Yes, of course, that's a basic mathematics, but I know
No
it.
issues, no problem. Just a refreshment, because basic mathematics these are things.
Yes, of course.
And here when I execute this, of course it gives 0. So mod is a function which has 2 arguments. First argument, comma, second argument. Okay?
Okay.
That is First argument is 10, second argument is 2. So first argument when divided by second argument, the result is, I mean to say the remainder is 0. Alright?
Alright.
Good. So here, now these functions specific to numeric, character, string, date. So there are specific functions. We will be looking one by one all these things. Okay?
Okay.
So now we'll look into numeric functions. I mean the functions which can be applied on numerical values. Yes, I just make use of this. Single line, all these are Yes. Look here, numeric functions we are looking into. There is a function called absolute value.
Yes, that's always
We
positive.
write it as AVS. And here I am passing a number -9. So what is the absolute value of -9?
That's 9. It's positive number.
Right. 9.
Always.
You can see here.
Yes.
You can see here. Always the positive value, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Likewise, absolute value of positive 9.
Yeah.
9 it is. Right?
Right, right.
Very good. Now observe carefully some functions, a round function, which will round a given number
Yeah.
to an integer. Yes, look there, round off. I am giving a value 12345.689.
Yes, because it's more than 5, it will round on 6.
Right, absolutely.
Yeah, I know.
Just a minute. Yes, just a moment, I'll be back. Let me have some water to drink.
Okay, okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes. Look there, do not look into this value. You just observe the execution. So 12345.689. So it just give 12346. As you said,
Yes.
it is rounding up because the decimal value is greater than 5.
Yes.
The first digit in the decimal value. Likewise, you can see I gave 12345.589.
It's
So it
more
is giving
than
12346. Yes, 0.5 and greater than 0.5.
Yes, yes.
It rounds up. Yeah, and here I may just deliberately gave 0.4. You can see a 0.489
Yes,
and it is giving 12345.
yes.
So decimal value, if it is 0.5 and greater than 0.5, it rounds up to next integer.
Yes.
Yes. With the round function there are two arguments also. First argument is the value. Second argument is some number you are providing. So 2 we have provided. Here you can see. And I am executing this. It gives the result, that is, the second argument will specify how many decimal places you need in the result. I am saying 2, it means decimal places should be 2. You can see here .49.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And here observe here .489 it is. and I am asking for only to display two decimals. And 4, 8 are the two decimals that are to be displayed. Instead of 4, 8, it is displaying 4, 9. Because it is considering the third decimal, which is 9 here.
Yes.
If that 9 is greater than 5,
Yes, and 8
greater
will
than
become
5.
9. Yeah.
Right, very good. Now here I deliberately gave 5 over there, third digit, right?
Yes.
Yes, it is giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 4, 9, because 5 and greater than 5, right?
Right.
And decimal places 2. And here the same round you can give 4, 8, 4. Deliberately I give the
Because
third
4 is
decimal.
less than 5.
Right. 4, 8 it gave.
Yes.
Right? Very good. And now here you can see I deliberately gave a negative value in the second argument. I deliberately gave that. So what it happens is, to the decimal that is dot, left side it adds 2 zeros, that's it. Because I am specifying -2. When you specify the second argument as a negative value, then to the dot decimal point left side it adds those number of zeros. That is why it is giving 12300. Yes, look here. 12300. It ignores the decimal value and puts two zeros because I am supplying -2.
Yes, I see.
Okay. So like round we have ceil function. So here you can see ceil will also give an integer as the result. That is 12345.689 I give.
Yes.
And you can see 12345.689. It is giving 12346.
Yes.
Yes, because 0.5 and greater than 5.
Yes.
Right?
Right.
Second also.
The same.
Yes, 12346. And here third deliberately I gave less than 5. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
Just a minute. I am executing again the old ones. Sorry, I selected partially. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and even this also 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and the last one I mean to say ceil dot 489 I am giving. So even though it is dot something, either it is greater than 5 or 5 and greater than 5 or dot less than 5 also, it is just taking to the next integer, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
6. Yes.
Yeah, I deliberately give zeros here because we are using ceil function. Ceil, you can assume the ceil as the ceiling and flooring that is available in our house. Ceiling which would be top, right?
Yes.
And floor which would be down, where we walk on that floor, right?
Right.
And here you can see I deliberately gave zeros. It is giving the integer. Ignoring those decimals. Okay. So opposite to ceil we have floor also. Observe carefully. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it is giving dot 689 is ignored.
Ignored, yeah. So
Yes,
always
floor.
the dot is ignored when we have function floor.
Right. When we have ceil, the decimal part would be ignored.
Yeah,
And here also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even though it is a dot, 5 or greater than 5 or less than 5, it is just ignored.
Yeah.
And here the thing to be noted is, as we are applying a floor, it is giving the same value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
Whereas here when you apply seal,
Yes.
it is giving the next value. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay. Okay.
That's the difference.
Yeah.
So seal would give the next higher value. Floor would give the
The same value.
same value. Yes, you can see floor. Oh, you have to execute it full. All right.
All right.
Likewise, we have truncate. So truncate, you provide one value, and here I am executing. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it is giving. It is truncating the complete decimal part.
Yes.
Irrespective of dot 4, dot 5, whatever it is. Truncate, remove the decimal part. Okay? I am executing the second one.
Yes.
Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. I use second argument with the truncate. In Oracle, it supports second argument also.
Yes, I can see it will show the two decimals after the dots. Yeah.
And here you can see, irrespective of the third digit is 5 and greater than 5, it is just considering 2 decimals. That's it.
Okay, if
it's
there was,
it will not round here. It just truncates, removes. That's it.
Yes.
And here you can see. Oh, sorry. Yes, it just truncates. From third digit it is truncating in the decimal part.
Yes.
Okay.
If there was a number 3, then it will show 3 numbers.
Third place also. Yes. Look there. 480 I give, and I mentioned 2. Second argument. It just gives 48.
Yes.
And here I deliberately give -2, negative value.
Yes, it will show 0, yeah.
Yes, of course, 2 zeros added.
Because it's minus.
Okay. Right. All right. Then modulo division, you can see modulo division. Observe carefully, which gives the remainder 25 when divided by 10. What is the remainder?
2 and half. No, 5.
Yes.
Yeah, 5.
Yes, you can see the same thing, 5, right?
Yes.
Now the 25 is now we are trying to divide with 30.
Okay, I can see the result. I can see results already here.
Look here, do remember?
Yes.
The first argument and second argument. If the first argument is less than the second argument in modulo division, the first argument itself is the answer.
Yes. That's right.
And you can see here 25 when divided by 0.
Yes.
It gives 25 itself. That is what remainder it is.
Remainder, yeah. Now I learned a new English word.
Okay, that's fine. And here 0 divided by 10. The remainder is 0.
0.
And 2 divided by 10.
2.
The remainder would be 2 itself. Because first argument is less than second argument.
Yeah.
Good. And I deliberately tried with null values also. So modulo division of 12 comma null. Whenever null is involved in an expression, do remember, whenever null is involved in an expression, the result would be null. The result would be null.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
And here you can see, I deliberately give first argument as null.
It's null.
And it is null. And I am giving both nulls. It gives null. Null in the sense browser will give a blank here. Okay?
Okay.
And here square root of a number. Square root of 25.
Wow, yeah.
5. Right?
Right.
Square root of 2. It's 1.4 something. This one, right?
Yes.
Likewise, you can get the sign of a number. Look there, sign of a number. You provide a number and the sign function will give 1 or minus 1 or 0. So what 1 and minus 1, 0 represents?
Okay, if the number is positive, it will be 1. If the number is negative, always minus 1.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. If it is 0, then 0, right? Okay, fine.
Fine.
I am talking about this last one, 0, it will use 0. Yes, 0, right?
Right, and it always works the same, right?
Yes. Okay, that's good. Now let me take you to character functions. Yes. Which are simple things. I am writing here character functions. And let me save this here. Look here, there is a function called length for which you can pass the string as an argument. Strings are always supplied in single quotes, I told you. String is nothing but group of characters. So length of the string I need. I made use of dual table. So INDIA India, it has 5 characters, so it gives 5. Okay?
Okay.
Then I am converting a string to uppercase. Upper. You can see?
Yes.
Select upper of India. I supplied all lowercase letters and it is converting into uppercase and give the result.
Okay.
Likewise lower.
Okay.
So I supplied uppercase letters and it is converting. Okay?
Okay.
Now observe, we have a function called trim. Trim function will remove the extra spaces that are present to the left side and right side of a string. And here you can see, yes, this is the entire string. India has its, India are the actual characters. Along with that, there are spaces at the beginning, left side and right side, right?
Right.
I deliberately give spaces over there to show you that a trim would remove those spaces. Yes, you can see.
Yes. And
Here is the result.
and
Left spaces are removed, and even right side spaces also removed. But as it, the browser is transparent, these spaces cannot be seen. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So when
you were talking.
yeah, so when we have function trim, are the spaces always on both sides?
Yes. Trim function would remove the spaces from both sides. Okay.
Yes.
We have left trim and right trim, which would remove left side spaces particularly and right side spaces particularly.
Okay.
Yes, L trim we say.
Yes.
I just run this. You can see left side spaces are removed and it is giving India. Likewise, select R trim. Right side spaces are removed and it is giving the India over there. As the browser is transparent, it gives the values like this. You can execute the same thing on command prompt. You can observe those spaces being removed. Simple functions. Now here there is a function which you would initialize. That is, the first letter would be capitalized. India. Yes, look here. The first letter is capitalized in India, I.
Yes.
Likewise, we have a function called with padding, where you can pad with so and so character to a string. and how many characters you can pad, you can mention it with an argument. Look here, left padding. You are supplying an argument here. The first argument is the actual string, okay?
Okay.
And the second argument is, in the result, how many characters do you want to display? That is second argument.
Okay.
And third argument is, with what character you want to pad the actual string. That is star, I mentioned. Observe the result, you can easily understand. I am executing this. And observe the result, it is giving star, 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 India.
Yes, in total is 10.
So here, total 10 characters it is giving.
Yes.
I mentioned it as second argument that I want 10 characters. And I want to pad with a third argument, that is asterisk.
Okay.
And where? To the left side of the actual string, L pad. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Now, L pad, I deliberately give there is second argument, that is less than the first argument number of characters. First argument has 5 characters, right?
Yes.
And I deliberately give 4 over there as the second argument. I want the result as 4 characters.
So it will cut
By
one.
padding asterisk to the left side. Observe. It just gives INDI because it want to give only 4 digits, 4 characters.
Yes. Yes.
And star could not be padded because the result is giving only 4.
Yes. Okay.
Likewise, right side padding. Yes, observe R pad. R pad. Okay.
Okay.
Right side they are padded.
Yeah. Right.
10 digits. I'm sorry, 10 characters. Okay.
Okay.
Likewise, R pad.
Yeah, because it's 4.
4.
Yeah.
And R pad, you can see I am ignoring the third argument deliberately.
Okay.
By default, it uses spaces. Okay.
Yes.
4. And here you can see I am using 10 here. And I did not give third argument. By default, it gives spaces here. Okay.
Okay.
Spaces are transparent, so we are unable to see on the browser.
Right.
And with left pad also, 2 arguments are possible.
Yeah.
Even with left pad also, 2 arguments are possible. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So by default, it considers blank space into account for padding if you don't give third argument. All right.
All right.
Now, I am going to extract some portion of the given string. Some piece of string. Okay? Substring we call it as. Look here, substring of. This is the actual string, first argument. Hello world. And I am mentioning from second position, I need 7 characters. Look there, let me execute and explain you. Hello world is the actual string,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And it is giving from second character, you can see second position. Second argument I give 2,
Yes.
that is from second position. So hello world, you can see from second position it gives 7 characters. Let us count the characters here. 1, 2.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Second character is E. LLO, that is you can see 7. So second, so let me highlight. Second, third,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6,
Yeah.
7, and you can see here, observe carefully.
But it starts from 0, first position, right?
Yes.
So,
Yes. I do
first-
highlight. Yes. So the first argument, the second, it begins with the 1, 2, 1, 2. It begins with 1.
Okay.
When you come to the third argument 7, it begins with a count as 0 and it goes till 7, you can see. That's what.
Uh-huh.
So here.
Yes, I understand.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay.
Now, let me give only 2 arguments. I did not give the third argument.
Yeah. This means just substring from the second.
Second to last.
Yes.
Because I did not supply third argument.
Yes.
Okay. And here I am giving 15 as the third argument.
From the second. Yeah.
It also gives the same result.
Yeah.
And here, like a substring, we have in string. Yes, observe carefully. In string has the first argument as the actual string. And the second argument, we supplied a word over there. I mean another piece of string. That is, I am going to find, is the second argument string present in first argument string? If it is present, give me the position of it. Okay?
Okay.
Second argument is this. So here you can see the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes.
At 7th position it is available. Let me execute this. Yes. Yes, it gives 7th position.
Yes.
As the result. Okay. And I deliberately gave ISSEs, which is actually not available. Right?
Right. Right.
So it gives 0. There are no occurrences, so. Okay.
Okay.
And here you can see I gave the third argument here. In string has third argument also.
Okay.
Yes, observe carefully. So what happens is, now when you supply third argument with in string, this Oracle engine will start searching for is in the first argument from third position. It ignores 1, 2 positions.
Okay. Okay.
So search becomes easy, faster. Now here you can see, of course the result is 7th position.
Yeah.
Now I deliberately give negative value as the -3. Yes.
So again 7.
Even though you give negative value, still it gives the 7th position. Now
So
here you can
so
see.
it works.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
I gave -10. Observe carefully. IS is present at 7th position in our actual string, right?
Right.
Now I am giving -10. I am asking Oracle engine to begin with the -10th position. Still it gives 7. So position, if you, even though you supply negative, it is considering as a positive.
Okay.
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 Now observe carefully. When you supply -10, it is giving 7th position.
Yes.
Now you supply positive value 10. You know well that IS is present in 7th position, and you are telling Oracle engine to begin with the 10th position to search for ISEs.
Yeah.
On 10th position it is not available, right? ISEs.
And it will show 0.
Yes, absolutely, it shows 0.
Yes, because
Okay.
here's on the 7th. Yes.
Right. Now observe carefully. India is my country, the actual string. IS is the search string. From the third argument, we say that from third position you search for. Okay.
Can you repeat?
From third argument will say from that position you start searching. Okay. And the fourth argument is also you can observe here.
Okay.
What fourth argument says is, second occurrence of that, I mean to say fourth argument I gave 2 over there,
Okay.
right?
Right.
From third position, the second occurrence of is I need over there. We don't have second occurrence of is in this string, right?
Right. So it's 0.
So it gives 0. Of course it gives 0, right?
Right.
Now
Right.
the same thing, I deliberately added is over there. India is my is country. Right?
Right.
From third position, it searches for is and the 2 second occurrence and gives the result. Yes, look there.
You didn't select. Oh.
Just a minute. Okay. This browser is not user friendly actually. I have been selecting right till the beginning also, but it is not getting selected. And you can see IS is present at 13th position. Okay.
Okay.
So let me give 13 here. Again it creates confusion.
30.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I gave -2 over there as fourth argument. Occurrence. Yes. Let me give occurrence -2. And here you can see it is giving me an error. -2 is out of the range. Occurrence should be always positive integer. Okay.
Okay.
And here I gave a positive here. Of course it gives 13.
Yes.
13.
Yes.
Invalid. That's what. This browser is not user friendly.
Okay.
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 Now, ASCII value. Every character present on the keyboard has its equivalent ASCII value. So ASCII value of capital A is 65. As you can see, 65. So we get the ASCII value by using ASCII function, ASCII. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can provide the ASCII value and we can get the corresponding character of that by using CHR function. We just saw that ASCII value of A is 65. Now I am providing the 65 and getting the character. It gives the A. So character function will give the equivalent value of the given ASCII value. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now translate is another function which is case sensitive. That is uppercase and lowercase matters here. Observe. Translate. There is a actual string India and I am asking the SQL engine to translate this A to X, capital X. Observe. A is being translated to X and gives the result INDIX. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Now the second one, A is being translated to small x. I deliberately give small x, right?
Yes.
You can see the result small x.
Yes.
And now I am going to give small a over there. Small a is actually not available, right?
Yes. Not available.
So the actual string is not affected
So it will show the same.
because case sensitive I told you.
Yes. Yes.
Now observe, translate. Look there. I give ABC and I am asking to translate ABC to PQR.
Okay. Yes.
Look there, observe carefully. So wherever there is ABC, it is being translated to PQR. Again PQR, you can see here PQ. So the thing is, A is translated to P, B is translated to Q, C is translated to R.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
And you can observe here, right?
Right.
Likewise, next example you can see here. I deliberately give a small c here.
There is no small c.
Yes, observe carefully. I execute this.
So it will be on only,
you can see?
Yes, on A and on B.
Yeah, right. You can see PQ.
Yeah.
Result, check the result.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Now likewise, let me give here ABC to PQ.
So
Look
A.
there. ABC, I gave three characters.
Yes.
But I am trying to translate to 2 characters only. Observe carefully. So the ABC is being represented by PQ.
Yes. And
then we have A as P, B as Q, right?
And there is no C. Yeah.
So here you can see, yes, these things.
Now I understand.
Fine. Observe the next example, this one. Yes, I gave, yes, observe carefully the result. Yes, here the thing is, here the ABCA it was, I gave CBAA, and you can see here the result.
Yes. C, there is no C. Yeah.
C there is no, but you can see when I asked ABC to PQ, this is PQ, of course,
Yes.
this is PQ. Then here you can see CBAA I gave, over there it is giving CBA, it is considering, and it is giving QP over there, and for A it is giving P and XYZ as it is, and D PQ.
Okay. I understand.
Right, good. Now you can see I deliberately give ABC to be translated to PQRS.
So
I execute this. So ABC, you can see ABC, it is giving PQR. So let me take this result and put here.
it's not correct. Yeah.
Yes, not correct. Yes. Yes. Now you can see. I re-execute the same.
Yes, ABC is PQR.
Yes. ABC as PQR. Right?
Right.
AB, PQ, again P. Okay.
Okay.
So that is about translate. Like translate, we have a function called replace. Yes, look here. This is the actual string, and I am asking the SQL engine to replace ABC with the PQR. Look there. So ABC is being replaced with PQR. And here the second one is replace ABAC. If it is translated, it would have given PQPR, right?
Right.
But it is not giving that PQPR. Instead, it is just giving as it is. Because wherever ABC is available, put their PQR, it means replace.
So that's the difference between translate and replace. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I execute this. Yes, I give PQRS over there.
Yes.
And you can see ABC has been replaced with PQRS. Observe, right?
Right.
Good. Third one. Yes.
A, B, C.
AB, small c I tried.
Small c, but there is no small c, so it won't. Yeah.
Right. Case sensitive.
Okay, so, yeah.
Next. Replace. Look there, FGH. Of course, FGH is not available.
Yes. So it won't replace. Yeah.
It will not. As it is, it gives. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now with length, you can see earlier I supplied string, right? Group of characters. Now I am supplying numerics over there. Look there. Length of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of course 5. Length of India. Observe carefully. India is a string. I did not put in single quotes. Instead I gave directly.
Yes. Then it's not.
It is giving an error. India is an invalid identifier.
Okay.
So if you are supplying strings, you put in single quotes.
Yeah.
The next one, same. I have mentioned in single quotes. 5. And look there.
And
I gave length. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is in a single core, so for Oracle it will be like a string, right?
Right. Absolutely.
Okay.
And you can see 1, 2, 3 ABC. There are characters, right? So you need to put in single quotes.
Yes, absolutely.
So that's why it's an error.
Okay.
Now it gives 8. Yes. And here you can see I just mentioned one single quote.
That's error, right?
Yes, of course, error.
Yeah.
And I mentioned here some digit and some characters. And this is also an error. And here you can see A space BC I told. Space is considered as a character. 4. And here you can see A I gave like this deliberately.
That's not correct, yeah.
Yes, incorrect. And here I gave slash deliberately. Yes, invalid. And I tried with special symbols also. When you put special symbols in single quotes, it is considering as a character and counting.
Okay. I can see, yeah.
Here also. Okay. All right. Now here observe. There is automatic casting that can be performed by the Oracle engine on characters to numeric. Yes, observe. I showed you select 10 into 40 as a result and it gave 400. Yes, 400. Now observe carefully. Now select 10 into 40 is being enclosed in single quotes. Observe. I am executing. Still we get the result 400 because Oracle engine is automatically converting the character 40 into numeric.
Okay.
And observe there, A is being represented in single quote.
Because A cannot be converted to a number.
Invalid number. Okay.
Yeah.
Likewise, list. You can supply n number of values to list function and it gives the least value present in it. Yes, least value 56.
Yes.
Okay. Likewise, greatest value it gives. Greatest.
Yeah.
And this least greatest can be applied on characters also. You can see here greatest R, A.M. Ram, Hemant, some I gave some names, Zoo. It gives Zoo. Z is the greatest one, right?
And why so? Why?
Because A, B, C, D, if you go like this, Z is the greatest compared to A, B, C and so.
Aha, okay, okay.
It takes first character into account, R, H, S, C, Z.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, yes.
Now here you can see least.
Yes, A.
Good. Likewise, greatest. You can apply on dates also. I gave 2 dates over there.
Okay.
So 12th June and 17th March. 17th March is the greatest date.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's about the functions that we can apply on characters.
Okay.
Shall I continue or shall we look into the remaining topics next day?
Oh, the next session. I'm tired.
All right then. Okay. I'll be emailing you this. You just practice.
Okay, okay. And tomorrow we are going to have a session, right?
Yes.
Okay, then.
All right.
All right. So for this session, everything is clear. Okay.
Everything is clear.
Yeah.
That's fine then. I'm going to email you all these things.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome.
Then see you tomorrow.
All right. See you tomorrow. Okay then.
Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day.